We are Hydroshpriz, a leading manufacturer of high-tech food processing equipment. Today, we are not just showing you machinery, we are showing you the future of your production efficiency. Our main mission is to help you save money. Our unique casing-free technology eliminates the cost of expensive casings and reduces drying time by up to 50%. This means higher margins and faster turnaround for your business. Over the last 5 years, we've seen a massive shift. Many of the world's largest meat and fish giants, who never looked at snacks before, now consider this their #1 direction. We have helped them capture this market, and we can do the same for you. Whether you need manual, fully automated, or advanced robotic systems, we have the expertise. Our team is incredibly flexible. We specialize in adapting to your non-standard tasks and unique production requirements. Hydroshpriz is more than just hardware. We provide a complete solution. We offer full warranties, global service, and on-site commissioning. Through our network of Spice partner companies, we send expert technologists to your plant. They use your raw materials and our machines to deliver a perfect, ready-to-sell product. We are proud to manufacture in Ukraine, with our primary warehouse and service center located right here in the European Union. This ensures fast logistics and local support. With a strong dealer network in the USA, UK, Australia, South Africa, and Europe, we maintain equipment and spare parts in stock worldwide. We are ready to launch your snack production today. Hydroshpriz. We don't just sell machines, we build your success.